real fast, stop and listen to this video. We've got some tips for you.
Number one, a jug, a plastic jug for water. They will let you bring that in, no questions asked, and it's a lifesaver.
We went in a group of 4, so we got our drinks and we brought a big jug and we got to fill it up right before we went to our big sets, and it lasted us throughout the entire event. So definitely recommend you bring a jug.
Secondly, a stool. We didn't have a stool, but this is a perfect investment for something like a festival.
You never know when you're gonna wanna pop a squat. But if you're not one of those people who really enjoys like being in the midst of all of the chaos, then you can, of course, head towards the back, bring a blanket, and chill out there.
Third, the Uber situation.
If there's anything that you take from this video, you need to know how you are going to coordinate your ride back home.
I know Dreamville has arranged shuttles from different hotels and different points within Raleigh, but some people can't take a shuttle. You know, they choose different hotels and whatever the case may be. If you plan to Uber, I would suggest that you schedule your rides. There's 2 entrances that you can potentially enter from.
Pick a side. One side will lead you to jail. The other side will lead you to a forest.
When I tell you guys, it was literally a nightmare trying to get back to our hotel.
One thing that you really need to consider is the fact that there is a major lack of service, especially with the hundreds of thousands of people who are there. You all are going to be leaving at the same time, and it causes complete and utter chaos. People are pushing and shoving, people are losing their friends. Don't be that person, just be prepared. If anything, just chill out on the festival grounds for a little bit until things die down. Definitely make sure that you know your exits. Be completely aware of your surroundings while you're there. Study on that map before you even get there so that you know where you are going. This is going to be crucial because you can order an Uber and you'll be at the west entrance instead of the east entrance, and now everything is thrown off because you're not going to be able to get over there easily.
Going off that, hold on tight to your phones. Pickpocketers happen. You could drop your phone and lose your phone. That happened in our group last year. Keep your phone in your pockets when you're walking.
Especially in large crowds.
And if you're in a group, lock arms with each other. Stick with your group. A lot of people get lost during these times.
Now, if you want some tips about how to get a good view, we got you on that too. Biggest tip that I will tell anybody when they go to festivals in general is never enter through the center of the crowd. If you're trying to get to the front of the stage for whatever artist that you want to see, you are going to want to come from the complete left or the complete right.
Yeah.
Personally, I think that the complete left is the better side to go through. This is like a psychological thing. I swear to God, it's psychologically proven that the left side is the side that people don't go to. We did this for Usher, and
another tip, always have beauty light. Okay, if you want good videos, it's obnoxious, right? It's so obnoxious when you bring it out. But when you look back and you're sitting at your terminal looking through all your videos of the festival, you're gonna be so happy and your skin's gonna look so good. You'll be like, wow, we look so good because we have the fucking beauty light. So bring beauty light, bring hand sanitizer, bring little snacks.
Portable charger.
Portable charger.
Do not forget your portable charger. You're gonna wanna take videos, but you're also gonna wanna communicate with someone once the festival is over to get home. And you do not want your phone to be dead in that situation, because at that point, everybody is pissed off because they're in the same exact situation as you. This is when people start to get a little less friendly, so make sure you're on top of your stuff.
Gum, cash.
Make sure you have your ID on you. Don't be stupid. Don't get to the gate and be like, I don't have my ID. No, they want to see that. Sorry.
Make sure your bag is not obnoxiously big.
Weren't
really
too strict, but they were definitely
strict, and they were measuring bags.
Again, kindness is key. And I'm so sorry to the boys. Like, this may not work for you, but the girls, if you're kind and cute, you'll get a long way.
Yeah. Lastly, have a fucking good time. Everyone comes to these festivals to listen to their favorite artists and enjoy the vibe. Have a good attitude, make friends, be friendly with the people that are next to you in the crowd. Like, there's no reason to be rude. These are our tips on Dreamville.
If there's anything else that you guys want to know or have questions about, just let us know and we'll definitely help you out.